Hiya knitters. It's kind of mad to think I last did a video like this about 3 months ago. I hope that you're all well and that things are improving where you are. All of us at HiyaHiya, we're fine. We're slowly getting back to normal. This means we are reintroducing more staff into our warehouse, so deliveries and distribution should be a bit quicker. In really good news, we received our latest shipment this week. So some of you might have already seen that on Instagram or Facebook where I've posted it there. This time we have got a few new items on there. The first that I was really excited for are our rainbow scissors, which I will put a picture up here. As you can see, I'm still working from home, so I don't have any on me, but through editing magic, these come in guitar, leaf, unicorn and butterfly. They are already really popular, so retailers, I suggest if you are interested, go get some now before they're all gone. We also now have more steel DPNs in a range of different sizes that we haven't stocked before, so I'll just pop along here somewhere what sizes they are for you. These are ideal if you're stuck between bamboo or sharp DPNs, so go have a look. If you've been following us on Instagram, we've been showcasing all of our retailers from all over the world. We would like to thank all of them for continuing stocking with HiyaHiya Europe, and to show our appreciation, our social media has just been full of posts of what they've been up to, what they're selling, how they're doing, and making potential customers aware where they can buy their HiyaHiya supplies from. However, I will mention there are several retailers on my list that I couldn't find your Instagram or Facebook handles, so I haven't been able to promote you as much as others. So please, if you are one of those, give me a message on here or on any of the social platforms, and I'll make sure to include you in our list of who to promote and show off. Finally, I thought I'd just show off what I've been making. Obviously, all the previous videos to this over the last few months is a lot of what I've been making in my spare time. So have a look at our other playlists. Predominantly Beth Knits is a lot of things I've been making. However, there are 2 projects I am really proud of that I'm going to show you. This is where I sit and knit at night. And in this case, crochet. This is my attempt at crocheting. As you know, this isn't my strong point, so I'm still learning. This is the ribbed tank top by For the Frills. Considering how warm it is at the moment, might not have been a good idea to make it with such thick yarn, but I don't know, in the winter this might do well as a little Harley cosplay or something. So you may see a video on this in future, maybe the first Beth Crochets video, and I will keep you updated. Now, the other project that I'm really happy with, I found this pattern just looking through our Instagram feed and found a gorgeous picture handcrafted by Shanice. This is the Astoria top by the Knit Yorker. I'm not the best model, but I may put a picture in here just showing how it looks. And this is the top. It's a rib vest top. It is intended to be a crop top, but the instructions are quite clear in how you can adapt it to make it longer or fit you better. So I went for a slightly longer body, so it can cover my insulin pump. Finished this morning, and I'm so happy with this. The yarn is Breaking Waves Sparkle Sock by Noodle. Once again, shouting out to Charlie. I could see me wearing this a lot around the house as a loungewear top, and potentially when we can go on holiday again, over a swimsuit sort of thing. I won't be doing a Beth Knits on this, as this is a pattern you pay for and I want to support her in that. So I thought I would show this off to you. It probably doesn't do it justice. If you go onto her Instagram, there's tons of pictures of this. It's not that expensive to buy. It is a quick knit. It only took me a while because it was in between other projects and things I was working on, but probably could make this up over a weekend. So please go show her some love. And in the future, I might have another pattern by her I can show you that I've made, as I'm part of a test knitting group for her. So hopefully that all goes well, and I'll soon be able to update you on that too. That's it from me. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I would love to see what you've been making in this time. Be sure to tag us if you've been using HiyaHiya products, or if you are one of our retailers. If you've got your new shipment in, I'd love to see photos how it looks. So you can comment below, head over to any of our social media profiles and just share what you've been creating. And until next time, happy knitting and crocheting.